In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature in Odoo Invoicing. This process is useful if you want an internal authorized signatory, meaning your company's signature appears on invoices. We'll first add the digital signature to the correct user profile, and then we'll enable the invoice setting that tells Odoo to display that signature on customer invoices. Start from the Odoo home screen and click on Settings. Once you're in the settings area, go to Users and Companies and then click on Users. Here you'll see the list of users in your Odoo system. Select the user whose signature should appear on the invoice. This is important because the signature displayed on the final document will come from that user profile. After opening the user, click on Preferences. In this section, look for the digital signature field. Here you can enter the signature in one of several ways. You can draw the signature directly on screen, use the auto option to generate one from the user's name, or load an image file of a physical signature. Choose whichever option best matches your workflow. If you want the most polished result on printed invoices, using a clean uploaded image can often look more professional, but the built-in draw option is quick and convenient. Once the signature has been added, click Save. That stores the signature on the user record so Odoo can use it later on invoice documents. Next, click on Settings again to return toward the main area and then open Accounting. Inside Accounting, click on Configuration and then select Settings. This is where you control how invoices are generated and displayed. Now scroll down until you reach the Customer Invoices section. In that section, look for the Authorized Signature option and enable it. You'll also be able to select the authorized user, or you can leave it set to use the default salesperson. This setting determines whose saved digital signature will actually appear on the invoice, so make sure it matches the user profile you updated earlier. After enabling the option and confirming the correct user, click Save again. That final save applies the invoicing configuration. At this point, the setup is complete. When you print or preview an invoice, the signature should now appear at the bottom of the document. If it doesn't show up right away, double-check that the selected user has a saved digital signature and that the authorized signature setting is turned on in Accounting. And that's how to add a signature in Odoo Invoicing.